Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this animated arrow effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, bring a Fusion composition into our timeline, and then go to the Fusion page, and then bring the background node to our node flow, and then connect it to the Media Out node. Then the background node selected, go to the Inspector tab, and then decrease the alpha value down to 0. Now the background node selected, press Shift Space. This will bring you up the Select Tool menu, and now here search for the paint, and then hit Add. Now move the playhead where we want to start this animation. Now go up to the Polyline Stroke, and then draw the line part of the arrow. Under Brush Controls, we can adjust the size and the softness of the brush to our liking. Now go down to Stroke Controls, and then make a keyframe on the Right On parameter, and then decrease the Right On parameter down to 0. And then move up 5 frames forward, and then increase the Right On parameter to 1, and then again go back up to the Polyline Stroke, and then draw the arrowhead part of the arrow, and then again, we have to go back to the Right On parameter, and now make a new keyframe for the arrowhead part, and then decrease it down to 0. And then move up 3 frames forward, and then increase the Right On parameter to 1. And now to smooth out the animation, go to the Spline Editor tab. From here, we have to select the Paint node, then click on Zoom to Fit button, and then select all these keyframes, like this, and then press S on your keyboard to smooth out the animation, and then press T to bring the ease in and ease out parameters. By using these parameters, we can give the ease in and ease out effect to this animation. Now the Paint node selected, press Shift Space. This will bring you up the Select Tool menu, and now here search for Soft Glow, and then hit Add, and then the Soft Glow node selected, go to the Inspector tab. From here we can be able to adjust the threshold, gain, and the glow size. At last, go back to the Paint node, then select the Inspector tab, then go to the Settings tab. From here toggle on the Motion Blur. From here we can be able to adjust the quality of the motion blur, and now our animated arrow effect is ready to use. Now we can go back to the Edit page, and then place any media just below this Fusion composition. And now by selecting this Fusion composition, then go to the Inspector tab. Under this Transform section, we can be able to adjust the size, and also we can reposition the animated arrow effect. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!